Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the markets. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. We are holding, Bitcoin is holding above these $35,000 levels. A lot of people will be freaking out right now, and that's exactly what we want to see. Let's get right into these charts. We are seeing Bitcoin hold above $35,000 levels. We want to see it hold above that level in order for Elon to hold above these levels that I'm about to go over right now. Now, we have seen a major dip. Sellers are stepping in, which is beautiful. It allows the buyers to make major gains if you start to average in and lower your break even, especially if you have bought in around these levels. Averaging in now will only allow you to make more money in the future, my beautiful friends. Now, as Bitcoin broke the $40,000 levels, we saw some major selling pressure throughout the entire market. It is not simply one coin. It is not simply Dogelon Mars that has tanked, but everything else has tanked. And the crypto fear and greed index, let's look at that. I am very curious to see where it is at right now, because right now we are going to see news start to come out to scare some people out of the markets before this next move to the upside. Now, it might take a few weeks. We're in the 11s in the crypto fear and greed index. That's a beautiful buying opportunity. We're going to see some everyone around you, all the people on the news and all the retail investors are going to think right now is a horrible time because they're seeing red in their portfolios. What they don't understand is the power of long-term investing. You gotta average in you gotta buy low and sell high. This is not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire. But look at where we're at right now. This is a nice little dipperooski, my friends. Dipperooski, grab a brewski, and average in, my friends. Now, let's get straight down into the technical analysis. That is more of the emotional side of the market. You're gonna see a lot of people freak out, and it's gonna take some balls in order to stay through this market. It's gonna take a stomach. And you're going to have to stomach through it if you want to make money. Those are the only people that can make money, are the people who stomachs through it, or the big money that moves the markets to get it started after all the retail traders sold all their bags. I'm currently in the car. If you hear an ambulance, that's why. Let's get straight into this analysis. So we saw some selling pressure here. Huge red candle with volume as Bitcoin broke down. Now we saw some buyers step in around these 5 levels, okay? Wow, I did not expect us to reach the 5 levels. That definitely caught me by surprise, my friends. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. And it will be even more beautiful if Bitcoin holds these $35,000 levels. If it continues to drop to the $30,000 levels, I'm very curious to see how Dogelon reacts. Now, in the long term, I am extremely bullish. This thing is the third largest meme currency. Nothing has changed, okay? Nothing has changed in the overall markets. We are simply washing our hands to get ready to get in the shower, all right? And the rocket is going to Mars, my friends. So, let's get into it. What we need to look out for in the coming days, the support and resistance levels. Now, we have broken through some major supports to the left. We have broken through these. I'll show you. Here, I got to go to the 4 hourly candles, my beautiful friends. Look, this is the range we're dealing with here, okay? If you look at this previous resistance, you see some volume stepping in here. That's how you know this is some support that we're coming to, okay? This is what we need to look for. I will draw a range right now, my friends. So, we have it here to here. This is the range that we are looking at. And this is a hammer candle. This is a very good thing. Now, we saw some selling pressure, but you see how many buyers stepped in here? That's because, you can tell because the volume on this candle is extremely large. It's much bigger than all of the previous volumes. The only thing close we got to this volume was right before it started really spiking in the past. Okay, so we have seen some buyers start accumulating around these 5 levels. It's a beautiful thing. Now, think about it. If you got in around these 5 levels Once it hits 10 again, once it hits 10, you've just doubled your money. This is a beautiful time to start averaging more in to lower that average. Now, if you have already averaged in up here and you have nothing more to average in, you're comfortable with the risk, it's just a matter of patience. You just got to hold your bags until we rocket again and head to Mars. But yes, this is the range we need to be looking at in the coming days. If we break out to the upside through these 6, 8, 9 levels, we want to see us base on top of these 6, 8, 9 levels and move higher. All right. After we break these 6, 8, 9s, we want to see a break through these 7, 8, 4s. Okay. And if we saw it quickly, we want to see it with one big green candle. Preferably, this will be the most bullish sign. One big green candle with volume overbearing all of this previous selling pressure here. That's what we want to see to the upside. To the downside, we want to catch some support around these 5 levels again as it comes back down, specifically these 547s. And on the low end, we want to catch them around these 5s. We have seen some major buying pressure here, which has held the price from dropping even lower. However, this is also another support that we have to watch. Boom. These 3, 6 levels. Got it? Cool. Now, if it really does get down to these levels is going to be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time to start averaging in. And yes, we are still in accumulations phase. I have said this over and over and over again. Anything under 15 is a great, great time to begin accumulating. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. And I post daily updates on the overall market and what we need to be watching on Dogelon Mars. My beautiful friends, I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay strong. HODL to Mars, my friends. Peace. Love you.